Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It gives me a great pleasure to be with you again online. We have been sending you the 7th set, I understand, and I want to know from you of good feedback. The reason we are making sure all the questions are categorized and all the explanations are given with guidelines, and we have started putting some of the guidelines already, and one of the best is Brighton and Sussex University Hospital, which is BSUH guidelines. Royal College GTG guidelines are available online. You can always download it. We have put some of them, so have a look at them. The other thing I started doing was collecting articles from the TOG magazine and starting to give it to you, so you will be able to benefit from the questions that come from them. Lots of RCOG questions come from the TOGs. In fact, TOGs is used to in the appraisal and CME of the Royal College, so those articles are very useful. Those are the next few things that will come, and you can either use ours and we will help you with, or you can subscribe as a trainee with the Royal College and get it or your own copies for free. Now, the thing I want you to do is very important. After going through the questions and answering them, now I want you to take the topics and go and read the topic from the guidelines, from the TOGs, from any other article, anywhere you have. Some of the material we are providing, some of the material you can get it from the Google. Now once you get that, I want you to read it fully, one of the guidelines, read it fully and make SBAs, single best answer questions. Make a statement saying that the following is true and put one truth statement. Or you can say this is the answer, and you make a question and an answer. And that after making the answer, you make a distractors, and then that will make you an SBA. So I want you to try doing that, so you will be learning for the SBA from the guidelines. The other thing you should do is, when you have an interesting case, take the name of, but you say primary gravida, 28-year-old, has heavy bleeding immediately after delivery. The following steps are necessary, and that you can make it into EMQ. So case situations can be mostly made into EMQs, and they are very good, and so you can collect your own cases or your friends' cases or some other places, and also from guidelines you can make EMQs as well. So try making EMQs from guidelines and your own case situations. And if you will send it to me, number one, I will make you learn the way that you should be learning for the exam, studying the guidelines, understanding the questions that come out of it by making questions in it. Second, we will start building a bank. And the question that you send will be acknowledged to you. And these questions will be updated, and these can be used for future learning processes. I haven't got a single EMQ or an SBA from any of you, and I would like to have it as soon as possible. This is you have done some learning in the last 6 weeks. Now you have to concentrate on making these questions. This week I expect from all of you questions, one EMQ and one SBA at least. You can make more. Send it to me, and I'm going to respond to you with answers how these could be modified and these could be worked out. And then the one benefit you are getting is you are reading the thing thoroughly to make those questions, the guidelines. All the best to you, and we'll keep touch base with you. And if you have any questions, send it to the email that you get for your questions and this link from, and Noha will communicate with me, and I will get in touch with you. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. All the best to you.